The Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Godfather, Oceans series, The Dark Knight, Filmi Colada. What do all these things have in common? Yes, you got it right. Great things always come in trilogies. Alas, for the third installment of the wish list, we are back. Filmi Colada. Of course, if you want to watch our two previous episodes, you can go in the description. Also, they'll be linked up here. But know that we are better than all those movies that I just named, because to understand this episode, you don't have to watch the previous two.
The previous two. Yes.
That's it, guys. We, Filmi Colada, are better than The Godfather. You heard it here first. That's it, guys. Welcome to Pop Conversation. I'm Anshaka, joined by...
Snail and Asia.
And,
Abbas Momin.
guys, would you agree? Isn't it
100%.
awesome that nobody has to
100%.
watch any of our previous episodes to be able to
True,
watch
yeah,
this?
absolutely.
Yeah, dude.
yes.
This is
Crazy.
probably the case. Thank you for tuning in for the first time. That's, if this is where you are finding us from. Guys, I think we have a very fun episode. This could be the best trilogy ending of anything ever.
Oh, we're not going to do any more after
क्यों
this?
wish list end
No,
कर
no.
देंगे क्या इसके
नहीं
बाद?
नहीं इसके बाद अरे you don't know how Pirates of the Caribbean is or what?
Yeah,
Fourth,
true.
fifth भी आई, but
हाँ.
it's not the main story. It's
So
side quest.
So this is our No Way Home.
This is our No Way Home for now.
This is our No Way Home.
No,
and then
yeah, No Way Home.
हाँ.
अब brand new day आएगा तो आएगा.
Brand new day
वो
तो
brand
कभी
new
भी
day
आ सकता
देखेंगे.
है. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Oh.
But then उसके लिए हमें आधा फिल्म के बारे में बनाना पड़ेगा.
Why?
Spoiler.
Oh,
There's no
sorry.
need for
Fuck.
that, dude.
Sorry.
There was no need for that. Why
Sorry,
did you
sorry.
just do that? Out of nowhere, dude. People are like, huh? What am I watching? Is there wish to spoil all movies that have ever existed? Oh, is that what
Oh,
it is?
bro.
All right.
Sadie
So-
Singh.
So,
Picture sync कर दी.
editor, if you're watching, I hope you are, firstly. But beep when he says that name, okay? Okay. Guys, let's get to it. For anyone who doesn't know,
मारो. हाँ, good.
it's 12:30 at night. It's 1 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh shit, goddamn. Okay, for anyone who does not know what this series is, basically what we do here is we try to give Bollywood actually actionable, awesome, banger ideas that they can go ahead and make tons and tons of money with, and if they so wish, give us a little bit of a cut. I'm just joking. All the money is ours, actually.
Yes, of course.
Okay, it's because it's our ideas, came out of our noggins. But you know what I mean. Which is gonna be we have some categories
Yes.
in which we each have thought of ideas
Yes.
of movies or shows
Show,
or
series,
stories,
whatever, yes.
whatever that can be made and should be made, and so on and so forth. You'll have a blast. You'll get the idea right after the very first one. So I say let's just get into it. Unless we
Yes.
have anything other major news to talk about before.
नहीं हम लोग मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन कर लो प्लीज
Oh, please,
अगर
yes.
आपने मेंबरशिप अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो प्लीज 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 डू ज्वाइन द मेंबरशिप वी हैव 2 tiers one is salted one is caramel हम
एक
लोग
और भी शायद और आए
आ सकता है
Now we don't know उसके नीचे का आएगा उसके ऊपर आएगा
आ जाएगा
Who
ठीक है
knows? Who knows?
आपको प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड लाइक हाइप कमेंट पिछले वीडियोस जाके देखो दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट
Yes. Also, by the way, if you join us this is again sorry for the too much hygiene, but if you're watching it during the premiere, make sure after the premiere you are coming to the main comments and leaving a nice comment there. Also, that really helps us out, and also hyping the video
Yes.
after the premiere has ended, because again that really helps push the episode to more and more folks and really helps us out.
yes
All right, finally, let's get to it, guys. As is the norm for every one of these
Yes.
episodes.
कैटेगरीज बता दो
No,
फट फट
firstly, I'm gonna win this.
अबे देयर इज नो
Oh,
विक्ट्री
jeez.
Oh, there is not a victory? Then what are we doing
Yeah.
here? Why did I spend my entire day trying to come up with the best ideas ever, guys?
वैसे भी कमेंट्स में लोग बता ही देते हैं कि अरे दिस वन अंतरिक्ष वाज द बेस्ट बास वाज रेज बेटिंग
यार ऑफ लेट मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे अगेंस्ट हेट थोड़ा कम हो गया है because
हाँ, आपको FOMO हो रहा है।
sometimes you both take the cake from me.
Yeah.
So which is very sweet of you guys.
Thanks, yeah,
That's
it's-
what true friendship is about.
Mention
Exactly,
not.
yeah.
We carry each other's loads.
mention not
All right, cool. Let's go. Cool. So the three categories that we are going to be talking about projects or movies and or shows in are basically, the first category is adaptation.
yes
What movie, book, song would you like to see adapted? A movie, why won't be adapted a movie? Sorry. What book article, story, otherwise? Would you like to see
Play.
play?
Poem.
Would you like to see adapted into a movie? Shit,
Nice.
I didn't think of play. I said I could have written my play that I wrote.
Oh
You
yeah.
can check it out. Merry-go-round
Merry-go-round.
in theaters across. Oh, no, in theaters, play theaters across. Yes, you know what. Okay. So the first one is adaptation. What would you
Yeah.
like to see adapted? The next one is historical event. What historical, interesting, or what have you, historical event would you like to see
के
adapted
around film बन सकती है.
into a movie or a show? And the last one is comeback. That is, what actor would you like to see come back?
Making a
Or
comeback.
can
Make a
be a
comeback.
filmmaker also.
Yeah.
हाँ, personality.
I don't know if you guys are like me, but every time I hear the word comeback, I hear Chris Pratt going, Kim Kardashian had a comeback. And you guys know, we all know what
Yes.
we are talking about. Parks and Recreation, one of the greatest shows of all time. All right, guys, let's get to it. Adaptation, historical event, and comeback. Starting with adaptation. Should we all just go adaptation, guys?
Yep.
Done scenes.
Host-
चलो Abbas.
Oh, Abbas gets to begin. Let's go. Let's do it.
Sure. So I would like Bollywood to adapt a novel. It's a novel by the writer Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh is one of the most renowned Indian authors in English. So Amitav Ghosh ne 96 या 97 में one of his early novels was a novel called The Calcutta Chromosome.
Okay.
So it's a science fiction novel, but it's not hard science fiction. It's a very layered sort of narrative. So I'll try and simplify it as well as I can. So the story is set across multiple timelines. One is of the present time of that, so 1996.
Okay.
जिसको आप 2026 भी बना सकते हो. It's not very difficult. एक थोड़ा slightly futuristic timeline है, which in that novel I think is around 2008 or 2009, which accordingly also can be said. So the basic idea is कि एक actual में एक British biologist था जो इंडिया में who has done research and work in India, and he used a specific chromosome to devise a cure for malaria, a strand of malaria which is specifically found in India. Okay.
Okay.
Amitav Ghosh has taken that actual research
Oh, and some crazy shit happened.
and actually woven a tale around it, where the idea of the novel is that an
Mutations?
ancient cult in India
Oh, crazy.
has found a way to found the key to immortality, basically.
Ooh, nice.
But immortality not as in if I am alive I will go on and never die, but if I am about to die I can transfer my consciousness into another person. Okay.
Oh, nice.
And there is
Altered
a
carbonites, yeah.
and there is a specific very very secret cult which is which takes care of this, and the very first person who did this was an ancient tribeswoman, and ऐसे क्या दिख रहा है? I
Yeah,
thought
there's
you
a
finally found
There's a
little bug.
moth.
वो
A little moth.
मौत
Whoa.
मंडरा रही है.
लगता है किसी की मौत हो आई है.
So there are two protagonists. One is a biologist in the story. There is a journalist in Calcutta, and basically it's a combination of science fiction and horror. तो ये जो जर्नलिस्ट होती है उसको भनक लग जाती है कि ऐसा कुछ है, उसके साथ अजीब अजीब चीज़ें होने लगती हैं. And this so on her way to research this, she comes across some really interesting points in the story which unravels the things, and consequently we also follow the biologist who does this.
Okay.
फिर उसमें ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी निकलते हैं कि बायोलॉजिस्ट के रिसर्च लैब में एक जो रिसर्च असिस्टेंट होता है, well turns out he's actually part of that secret cult.
Whoa,
that-
whoa.
So it's full of these twists and turns,
Nice.
and I think the मतलब सोच लो ऐसे if you can imagine कहानी the movie, but that same thing, but let's put it in a science fiction kind of a
Yeah.
horror science
Nice.
fiction kind of a
Nice.
setting.
Nice. Very good.
So that I was very interested
Dude,
in.
just the thought of the vaccine being considered like some kind of a serum for immortality is crazy.
Yeah.
I love it.
So the Calcutta Chromosome. If I was given a choice, I would love Dibakar Banerjee to direct this because he's one of my favorite film directors.
Yeah, sure.
And cast, I don't really have someone in mind right now. It can very well be made with a cast of newcomers. But since I gave the reference of Kahani, you can very well take Vidya
Vidya
Balan
Balan.
in this journalist role and make her the lead person for this movie. So yeah, that-
so this actually happened though, and like
so
the
the
true part is the
the
thing is-
malaria thing where the this scientist, this doctor, British doctor who worked in India during British times, he used it to make the cure for this thing for malaria.
So why does
but
malaria
the-
still exist?
Huh?
Why does malaria still exist?
अब वो मेरे को नहीं पता. Why does it still exist?
He wasn't good at
But-
his job, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is that so Amitav Ghosh, while doing research about this particular professor, found that there were some very mysterious things around his life. So then he filled in those gaps by writing his fictional.
Damn.
Like
So
what-
yeah.
what kind of-
So like again, you know, like he'd be struggling with something for months and months and years, and suddenly overnight after a visit to a village, he would find the solution for that. So what was it about that particular visit in the village that gave him that answer, right?
Oh, okay.
So things like those. So,
So he was going from the basically administering
yeah.
the serum in a way.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
crazy.
the Calcutta chromosome, I don't
So
know
then,
who
like,
has the
what-
rights.
So what? So it's basically the story is like a thriller, or what?
Yes, it's a thriller, and parts of it are straight up horror. Like there are
Oh.
times where this journalist has to again spend a night in a village. So when she's spending a night in her hut, she starts hearing weird sounds and weird things start happening. So this whole cult idea, we don't exactly know what the cult does, which is that mystery element gives the horror element and mystery element, thriller element all put together.
Crazy.
So yeah, it's a great novel to read if you want to read it, but also I think it would
कौन
make
क्या
it
नाम है
good.
नॉवल का?
The Calcutta Chromosome.
The Calcutta Chromosome.
Yeah.
Alliteration.
So yeah, I would love to see an adaptation.
भाई हम तीनों में से अगर किसी को कल्ट स्टार्ट करना हो तो आई थिंक अब्बास वुड बी द राइट पर्सन.
Really?
क्या लगता है आपको?
I don't know, man. I think हम दोनों तो ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे.
Join कर रहे नहीं, start कर रही बात.
स्टार्ट कर like who can lead a cult?
स्टार्ट तो कोई भी कर ले. अकेला बंदा क्या करेगा इसमें यार?
No, I think
बस-
Antariksh would make a good cult leader.
No, bro. He's too chill to be a cult leader.
Either too chill or I have like too many pangs of anger. Quick anger, short bursts, which then goes
I would
away.
love to start a
Which I
cult. How many of you would join?
अगर आप अपना कल्ट स्टार्ट करोगे तो उस like why should people join your cult? What will your cult be about?
My cult will be about not watching anime. Get that reference? Join
Watch
our
the members only
membership.
episode. And you know what happened then.
Fun.
You'll never have to finish any anime if you join my cult.
Antariksh is definitely not joining the cult, bro.
No, man. That's not my vibe. That's not my vibe, bro. Who wants to go next? Should I go next?
Yeah. Why not?
And
Please.
you will not need to say Sania Malhotra is a good actress.
लिखो कमेंट में. लिखो अब्बास साले.
Antariksh basically saying Abbasi.
If Sania Malhotra voices a character in anime, then these guys will go crazy only, no? Like,
Bro, crazy
two
और
of his-
भाई और मेल कैरेक्टर विक्रांत मासी से करा दो. Bro, भाई
What a time.
crazy.
What a time.
Mr. Wet Pants. Yes.
So, also, like, how likely
Hmm.
is Abbas' story to get made? I think it's quite likely.
Quite likely, dude. Quite
actually,
likely.
man. I'm
Yeah.
surprised nobody has approached
Taken
it
this
yet.
up yet, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, Amitav Ghosh,
Amitav Ghosh, yeah.
you owe Abbas some loyalties.
Of
If this-
course.
Loyalties or royalties?
Loyalties अभी, royalties
Royalties
बाद में.
later, yeah.
What this comes about? Okay, what I would like
Yes.
to see adapted.
Yes.
So basically, in the year,
Bakano 2.
it's not that
Again,
far off.
members only to
It's
get
not
that,
that far
reference.
off. Okay, so basically in the year April, in the year 2017, basically in April of 2017, so basically there are the two big comic book,
Marvel and DC.
Marvel and DC,
Yeah,
the big
yeah.
publishers.
Yeah.
There is a third, they're like, then the third, fourth, fifth, whatever are Dark Horse,
Image.
Image, and Valiant Comics.
Hmm.
Valiant Comics in 2017 had a full, like, across their titles, across their comic books that they're publishing, like had a relaunch.
Okay.
because every few years, even DC and Marvel do this. They have a relaunch so that new readers
Hmm.
can hop on board.
Correct.
Because otherwise, it's
Yeah.
very daunting to have to reach like
Issue 600.
yeah, exactly. It's very daunting. Who's going to end up doing that? Then you can never then follow up on the current story
Correct.
that you're
Yeah.
actually interested in reading
Yeah.
upon, right? So they always have these relaunches. Valiant had it in 2017. It was called the Valiant Universe relaunch, I think it was called. And one of the most amazing stories that came out of that was a comic book called Quantum and Woody.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, Quantum and Woody are basically like miscast superheroes in a way. All right, like they have no right to be superheroes, but they're superheroes.
Okay.
Basically, what happens is they are adopted brothers. Okay, Eric Quantum. Okay, that's Quantum is the superhero identity of
Okay.
Eric. What's the name? I'm forgetting the full name. Eric Henderson. Okay, Eric and Woody Henderson. They are like adopted brothers. Okay, Eric's family much earlier in life had adopted this white kid. Eric's family is black. They adopted this white kid. Okay, named Woody Henderson into their family, and whatever they grew up together and all of that, whatever. And over the years, then Woody gets estranged. He's like, because Woody is always the troublemaker, the scumbag, the grifter kind of guy, the smooth talking, again very griftery con manny
Right.
kind of mishap of a person.
Hmm.
And Eric, on the other hand, is like he went to the military, he's like the straight shooter, trying to do right by people, trying to do right by his family, that kind of guy. Okay. Now, the two of them, as the comic begins, this is the chapter 1 के पहले की बात बताई मैंने. Chapter 1, as it begins, they are attending the funeral of their father. Okay, who was a scientist.
Adopted.
Yeah,
father.
मतलब Eric's father and
Okay.
Woody's adopted father.
Okay.
Firstly, why I say Quantum and Woody is the guy's real name.
Huh.
But he's like such a I don't give a shit about secret identities guy. I'm like, yeah, I'm Woody only, dude. And his brother is like, I'm Quantum. And Eric, I can't be my real name. Okay, because he wants to keep a secret identity. So already they're like, it's such a funny, hilarious comic. Okay, that's the forte of this. Okay. Anyway, they meet on as the comic book starts, they're attending the funeral of their father who has just passed away. It was like this famous scientist and all of sorts. All their dad has left them that they find out after visiting the laboratory is a goat. Okay.
रोनाल्डो भी है
Oh, Kajol is a goat, is a literal goat. Okay, that later on. Okay, I'll tell you that later. Okay, so is a goat again who turns out to be like a fascinating additional character in the story, and some of the funniest moments come because of the goat, and it's fucking amazing. Okay. When they go to visit their father's laboratory after they have already buried him and whatever, okay, they go and visit the laboratory, okay, to figure out, okay, what is the dad working on, because it seemed like, was he murdered, was there like some foul play or something, right? And when they go there, some kind of a reaction happens because of the various tech that was inside the laboratory, because of which these guys gain powers. Okay, Eric's powers are force manipulation. Okay, so he can make like constructs, force fields, kind of stuff. Okay, that's his power. And Woody's powers are energy blasts. He can blast energy at enemies and what have you. Okay, again, these are not like out of the blue powers. These are like powers that we've seen, but how they're used in the show and in the comic book and the jokes that come out of it is what make it amazing all the time. It's a play on superhero culture in general. It's a play on various things like there's pop culture references, the society we talked about, this black and white racism being talked about in the thing, and so they gain their powers. Okay, everything could be hunky dory. They go about their own way. They solve the dad's case, but no. Now after they get the powers, they are eternally physically bound together because they have these little bangles attached to their arms. Okay, that the thing that gives them powers attach these bangles onto their arms. These little like kada type. Okay, and every 24 hours they have to come together and bang those bangles. Otherwise, they each will explode. Okay, so they are bound together. Okay, and then
the film title can be Bang Bang 2.
hey, shut up. Take it. So they're bound together. Okay. Also coming back to the goat now, after they've gained their powers, as the comic book goes on,
Goat is
they
a
realize
dad.
the goat can shoot lasers.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck.
so laser shooting goat. Okay, the dad chemistry also very interesting. I don't want to spoil it. Okay,
Okay.
dad chemistry also very. What happened to the dad?
But
Nobody
wait,
knows.
you're pitching a Bollywood movie.
So how we
Huh.
would adapt this to Bollywood and why? Firstly,
Huh.
because you would think an American
Yeah.
fucking movie they can make it. The thing is, years ago, the Russo brothers they were in talks. There were like these rumors that the Russo brothers are gonna have like bought the rights or whatever for
Hmm.
Quantum and Woody, and this is gonna be like their next thing after Avengers,
Right.
Infinity War, and Endgame.
Mhm.
Lol.
Okay? And you know who was gonna be playing Woody, which I would have loved, was Joel McHale from Community.
Okay.
It would be perfect if you read the dry, snarky fucking humor that is in the comic book. Joel McHale would have been perfect for this.
Mm.
Now, if it ever happens, it's sadly too old. But the project just never went ahead. Nothing happened of it. So now again, I was just reading up on this today. It's out in the open. They are still trying to shop movie rights or whatever.
Right.
How it will get adopted in India?
Hmm.
Okay. Firstly, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ पे racism, casteism की problems नहीं है. Okay. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ पे super heroes नहीं बन सकते. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ पे a Hindu cannot have an adopted Muslim brother or vice versa. And
Oh,
that
so
would
these
still-
one is white, one is black.
one is white, one is black.
Oh, okay.
Woody is white,
Okay.
and Eric and his entire family,
Got
father
it.
and all, are black.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, all of this can be Indianized in such a fun way,
Mm.
right? Again, we can have enough pop culture references. We can
Yes.
have this. The buddy cop, as I've always said, is one of my favorite genres
genre.
ever.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
It's just exactly the perfect buddy cop kind of thing. It's superhero also. There is a mystery happening. So one of the main villains turns out, okay, as the comic book goes on, is called the Crone.
Mm.
The Crone has been around for hundreds of years.
Hmm.
How has she been alive? She has been endlessly developing clones of herself, okay, and then she takes the blood out of one clone, the organ out of another clone.
Wow.
So she has an army of clones who do her bidding, but whenever she's like on the verge of
Dying.
or something, she just uses one of the clones to then replenish her.
Oh, so Rekha.
So that, but also turns out
Yeah.
there is an inspector, okay,
Oh, nice.
who
Wankhede.
inspector called Detective
Wankhede.
Davenport,
Hmm.
okay,
Davenport, huh.
who first is on these guys' case, Quantum Woody. She's after because vigilantes are not cool ever in comic books, right?
Yeah.
So these guys are after the vigilantes, okay, trying to get them arrested. Slowly, it turns out she is also a clone
Superhero.
of the Crone.
Oh.
Okay, so again, so many things happening
Nice.
and amazing. I cannot tell you how funny it is. You literally read the first chapter. Abbas,
Yeah.
first chapter
Yeah.
will be enough to
But
get you hooked.
no, but he'll be able to read the first 5 chapters.
Yeah.
Don't
First
worry.
5 chapters. Oh,
Yeah.
No,
watch
this is
the
not
members
anime.
episode.
I'll read the whole thing.
Okay then, go ahead. You should have waited
Nice.
for the members only.
Fun.
episode.
Quantum and
Quantum and Woody. Quantum and Woody. I think it could be very fun. Also, like if we place it like down south, like in a Malayalam film, for instance,
Hmm.
you can actually use their actual names. Like Eric and Woody can be names.
नहीं यार
of
केरला के अलावा भी क्रिश्चियंस होते हैं
नहीं हाँ,
यार
but like
India
I just saw. That's true. That's true.
में. If you said it in Kerala, you can use real
हमने
name.
That's
Christian angle की वजह से आपने बोला.
I'm like, how can we keep the names? I'm like, instead of making it like Harish or something, I want to make it Harish.
I'm sure you'll find
Yeah.
at least 500 Erics in Bombay.
Bro, either Kerala or
100
Goa,
Bandra
man,
में
nowhere
मिल
else.
जाएंगे.
Only Kerala and Goa. Or Bandra.
और Bandra.
Bandra.
Yeah.
Those are the hotspots.
Nice.
Personal hotspot.
Dude.
But I think, yeah, this could be very, very cool. And I hope it happens. man.
Good. Nice.
Got it.
Nice.
थोड़ा हटके.
So, from like 2 very fictional stories.
To reality adapt कर
Yeah,
रहे हैं.
bro. I actually got the book with me.
Oh, is it Samvidhan? Okay. Jail Diary. Bhagat Singh.
Jail Diary. Oh.
Bro, I have read this book twice at this point. और मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि मुझे पूरी तो नहीं समझ आई है.
Hmm.
सो हमने इंडिपेंडेंस पे भगत सिंह के ऊपर बहुत फिल्में बनी है. बहुत फेमसली बॉबी देओल की भी एक है, अजय देवगन की भी एक है. देयर इज अ प्ले, पीयूष मिश्रा ने प्ले
Punjabi
लिखा
films are
है,
also there.
पंजाबी
Yeah.
फिल्म्स भी हैं वहाँ पे. बट अभी तक कोई ऐसी मैंने कमर्शियल फिल्म नहीं देखी है जो सिर्फ भगत सिंह की जेल जर्नी और मतलब जेल का टाइम पीरियड प्लस व्हाट ही वाज रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग इन हिज जेल टाइम, जेल टर्म हुआ हो. ठीक है, मतलब आपने उनका सारा जेल का जितना भी हमें स्ट्रगल का पोर्ट्रेयल है वो सारा एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की कैसे वो वहाँ के पुलिस वालों से या कैसे वहाँ के लोगों से अपने आंदोलन पे थे या भूख हड़ताल पे थे या कैसे वो उनको सप्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, वो सब के हमने इंस्टेंसेस देखे हैं. द जेल डायरी ऑफ भगत सिंह इज बेसिकली एक ऐसी डायरी जहाँ पे जो किताबें वो पढ़ रहे थे उसमें से जो चीज़ें उनको लग रहा था कि
Impactful, हाँ.
इम्पैक्टफुल लग रही थी, इंपॉर्टेंट लग रही थी, वो इस डायरी में डालते गए. ठीक है भाई,
So
ये
this is the collection of
this is
the books he was
yes,
reading while in jail.
exactly, yes.
Oh wow. Great.
Dude, that's crazy.
Diary, basically the diary. that he
डायरी
was
जैसे आप
making.
लिखते हो, डायरी लिखते हो आप अपनी, तो एक किताब पढ़ रहे हैं, किताब पढ़ के जो एक्सर्प्ट उसमें से उनको बढ़िया लग रहा है वो इसमें ये लिख रहे हैं. सो इट कैन अगेन, आई हैव आल्सो बीन वेरी वोकल अबाउट द फैक्ट कि मुझे जैसे एक सेटिंग में बनी हुई पिक्चर है जहाँ पे सिर्फ बातें हो रही हैं, आइडियोलॉजीज डिस्कस हो रही हैं, रीजनिंग हो रही है, तर्क हो रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर वैसी बनी हुई फिल्म मुझे बहुत पसंद है. जैसे 12 एंग्री मैन है, उसका हिंदी अडेप्टेशन है एक रुका हुआ फैसला,
yeah.
ठीक है. वैसे ही हमने
Con.
कौन है, द पार्टी है, बहुत ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो आपको ऐसा एक रूम में बात करते करते आइडियोलॉजीज के ऊपर जो है वो मिल जाएंगे. अब दिस आई थिंक वी आर सिटिंग ऑन अ गोल्ड माइन. We could
There is
make
just
this
one
film.
small scene I remember in the Ajay Devgan Bhagat Singh, जब ऑफिसर उनको फांसी के लिए ले जाने आता है तो वो लेनिन की किताब
लेनिन की
पढ़ रहा
किताब पढ़ रहा था.
हाँ.
By the way,
हाँ.
have you guys seen both the
I've only seen the Ajay Devgan
Sunny and
one.
Bobby, both the movies?
सनी एंड बॉबी नहीं, बॉबी एंड अजय.
Bobby and Ajay, but Sunny and Bobby also, yeah, they were in the same movie, by the way.
हाँ नहीं, मैंने अजय देवगन वाली देखी है सिर्फ.
मैंने
मैंने
दोनों
भी.
देखे हैं.
दोनों देखी
I
है.
saw it within the same week when they came out in theaters.
हाँ, they came out like very close to each other.
हाँ, and
Yeah.
they
Came out a day
became
apart, dude.
they
Or like maybe
they
the same day.
became two films because of Fallout.
Oh.
Yeah, so actually ये
The director
एक,
का Fallout.
हाँ मतलब I don't
The Ajay
very,
Devgan one was Rajkumar Santosh.
हाँ तो I think कुछ एक बीच में Fallout हो गया था, तो they were like कि मैं अपनी अलग बनाऊंगा फिर.
And also like a week prior, Shahid-e-Azam released,
Yeah, that's what.
which is Bhagat Singh played by Sonu Sood.
Ah.
Oh.
Yep.
हाँ, so exactly like there are various films, plays, pieces, essays written, but I think ऐसी एक commercial film नहीं है जो उस टाइम पे भगत सिंह क्या पढ़ रहे थे, क्या लिख रहे थे, उनकी एक्चुअल आइडियोलॉजी कहाँ जा रही थी, क्या थी, उसको अपोज करने वाले कैसे थे, उसके उनके रीजन कैसे थे.
Right.
तो वो आई थिंक एक बैक एंड फोर्थ ऑफ व्हाट ही वाज फॉलोइंग, व्हाट द पीपल जो उससे मतलब उतना राबता नहीं खाते थे उस आइडियोलॉजी से, उस थिंकिंग से, वो आई थिंक
अब तो बनने से रही कम्युनिस्ट प्रोपेगेंडा.
मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट लाइक आई एम नॉट अगेन दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड कि लाइक रीजनिंग के ऊपर.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
तो इस पे लाइक देयर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स जो मैंने लाइक आप देखो ना, कब की लिखी पढ़ी हुई चीजें, इस पे अगर आप अभी, मैंने इस पे कुछ मार्क किया था, मैं वो एक दो लाइनें आपको इस पे पढ़ के बताता हूँ भाई. क्रेजी द फैक्ट दैट लाइक अ पर्सन who was 22 years old
Yeah, I know.
reading all of this comprehend
Crazy.
कर पा रहे थे. and
So
फिर उसके बाद
he got hanged in 1931, right? Almost
Yeah.
100 years ago.
सो जैसे इसके अंदर मैंने कुछ पेजेस मार्क करके रखे हैं, जैसे एंट्री 10 है दैट्स डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ मैरिज, सोशलिस्टिक रेवोल्यूशन एंड मैरिज इंस्टीट्यूशन. इस पे मोनोगमी कैसे हमारी सोसाइटी का पार्ट बनी, एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली लव एंड लॉयल्टी टुवर्ड्स योर पार्टनर, इट आल्सो प्लेज अ रोल कि इनहेरिटेंस आगे कैसे पास ऑन होगा, और
Correct.
कैसे वो लाइक यू नो हाउ इट प्लेज इनटू द सोसाइटी कि सिर्फ आप लोग लॉयल्टी के चलते पे आप मोनोगमी से कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर सकते लोगों को.
Right.
उसके और बहुत इकोनॉमिकल, फाइनेंशियल बड़े बड़े रीजंस हैं. तो इसके ऊपर ये पूरा एक इन्होंने एंट्री बनाया है, एंड कैसे दिस ऑल्सो इज सेक्सिस्ट इन अ वे. ठीक है, तो
अब जेल में है बंदा, तेरे को सेक्सिस्ट देखना है तेरे को. ये भाई कितना, how much is one person supposed to do? He got us our independence.
He was not a
He's a freedom
performative
fighter.
feminist, okay?
Yeah, what a-
जेल में फांसी होने वाली फिर भी बोल रहे हैं.
Performance तो ये है.
हाँ, जो ये लेके घूमता है साथ में.
What is the word you use? Performative feminist.
feminist, ठीक है.
Yeah.
And then there's this one entry on oppression where like the quote goes कि surely oppression maketh a wise man mad. ठीक है, तो again these are not what उनकी खुद की राइटिंग्स
हाँ.
नहीं है ये जो वो पढ़
Quote
रहे
from
थे,
his own
कैसे
में से.
वो इनकी आइडियोलॉजी शेप कर रहा था. ठीक है, एंड देन one of my favorite pieces is entry number 28, page number 37. A tyrant must put on the appearance of uncommon devotion to religion. Subjects are less apprehensive of illegal treatment from a ruler whom they consider God-fearing and pious.
He's
On
talking-
the other hand, they do less easily move against him, believing that he has the gods on his side.
Wow, he's writing in 2026.
He's talking about Hitler, obviously.
No,
Who
again,
else?
See,
Who else?
Hitler is also 8 years away at this point.
yeah.
Yeah, so he's
That's exactly what I'm
future.
saying. Like, imagine like
Yeah.
all these things being
Yeah.
written back in the day.
That's true, yeah.
And I think this could give us a very good film on ideologies, reasoning, and
Fair.
a very good tight drama.
Also, like a life behind bars is already tough.
Exactly.
What a person must do to have to pass time also.
Yeah.
That's why he must be reading so much, right? What else are you supposed to do inside?
So yeah,
fascinating.
could be a very good
Fair.
film.
Yeah. What that like? So in the movies, the Legend of Bhagat Singh and Shaheed, the Sunny Deol and the Ajay Devgn movies, they're shown that there were a lot of atrocities done to them.
हाँ रंग ने बसंती में भी तो दिखाया है.
Correct. While they were arrested in jail. Is there any mention of that? Is there any excerpts about
अपने
that?
बारे में कोई बात नहीं करी है.
अच्छा. Okay.
It's just the readings.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying कि ये जो फिल्म अगर बनती है तो the forefront of the film will not be the atrocities and everything. वो तो रहेगा, वो चल रहा है. That is
Yeah,
their
of
daily
course.
life.
That's the
वो तो वो
plan,
चल ही रहा है. But this is what he's choosing to do. While all of that is going on, imagine freedom struggle है, आपके साथ वो atrocities हो रही हैं, आप आंदोलन कर रहे हो जेल में, भूख हड़ताल कर रहे हो, आपको आपके घर के messages आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ, and all that, you are reading this, you are writing this.
He's choosing to make
He's
himself
choosing
more
to-
aware,
yeah.
smarter.
So yeah, again,
Choosing to keep his sanity, yeah.
there are हमारे पिछले कुछ एपिसोड्स में कमेंट्स भी आते हैं कि आप अपना पॉडकास्ट पॉलिटिकल मत करो या पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजीज मत दिखाओ या ये वगैरह. This is not about being political about things right
Yeah,
now.
Bhagat Singh.
It's quite literally
it's
something
for everyone, dude.
Yeah, it's for everyone.
Yeah.
It's again, I'm not propagating an ideology or a political stance on it. I'm just saying that this could make for a very good film where different ideologies can reason with each other.
Yep, 100%.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ बनाओ political podcast. कौन है साला वो
Again, 3 people just left our membership.
on your shit. Anyway,
But
next
yeah.
round. Good
Okay.
choice. Yeah.
Yeah, very
Good
cool,
choice.
very cool.
Chalo, nice.
Last two then. I mean, the next two is historical event and then the comeback.
Yeah.
Historical event, who wants to go first?
मैंने अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बोला.
Okay.
हाँ.
Should I?
You can start.
Okay. Historical event
Yeah.
is one I am very happy with. That this is the
Nice.
one. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, I don't know if you guys know this, but what do you guys know this song? Everybody was kung fu
Yeah.
fighting. Carl Douglas, 1974. You guys also know the song आप जैसा
कोई मेरी जिंदगी
बिड्डू.
में आए
Yes.
तो बाबन
You also know the song
Oh,
Disco
yes.
Deewane.
Ah.
Right? You also know the song Sonu Nigam ka Tu
मेरी
Meri Jana
जाना
Jana
तू
Tu.
कभी मानेगी हाँ.
You guys also know the song Made in India.
प्यारा सोनिया.
All of these were produced by a musician come a music composer and producer by the name of Biddu Appaya. Biddu, commonly known as Biddu. Okay? This person, his career spanned decades. Since the 60s, he'd been producing music, making people into stars. The Carl Douglas Kung Fu Fighting was like Carl Douglas's breakout hit. Okay? It's still considered one of the best-selling songs of all singles of
Yeah,
all time.
yeah.
Okay? It was like a touchstone moment in the disco era. So that was the disco era, 70s. All the way till the 90s and 2000s, he was a huge part of the indie pop scene. Of the Sonu Nigam album, of Made in India, all these album singles that were topping the charts in India back then. I want to talk about that indie pop era, especially of the 90s, right? Because that was such a cultural, different moment. This person was is considered the pioneer of the independent pop music in
Nice.
India. Then even going into the 2000s, right? I know she's not maybe considered one of the greatest of all time, but Sophie Chaudhary, also the singer, the musician, her album also was produced by Biddu. So he was working well into the 2000s. Okay. producing amazing bangers. You go back to his discography, the songs he has, the people he's worked with. He was one of the people, like, I think if I'm not wrong, Shan and his sister Sagarika,
Yes.
or Sagarika, how you pronounce her name, Sagarika, their first album was produced by Bidu. What a guy. Sonu Nigam ka Tu album was so early in his career.
Yeah.
That
तो
so
एल्बम उसका पहला ही एल्बम नहीं है शायद.
I think
Probably,
before
I'm not
that he had sung the Dil Deewana. I think it's
वो नहीं,
yes.
हाँ, दीवाना is the first
Yeah.
album.
दीवाना
हाँ, but anyway.
दीवाना तेरा.
So yeah, so he basically all these so that album of Sonu Nigam basically established his versatility, because he sang with a lot of like Western beats and gave it like these his
Sonu Nigam, dude, I think is the best singer.
incomparable, I think.
कोई
Yeah,
comparison नहीं है Sonu
absolutely.
Nigam का, dude.
So I think this is the life of this person, having this decades worth of musical prowess and experience.
तो ये तो बायोपिक हो गई ना फिर, ये historical
No,
event
so
थोड़ी
but,
हुआ.
correct, but it is like
The wave of indie pop
yes, the wave of indie pop, but
is the
to
event.
show that if this guy is to be the primary
The
protagonist
Sutradhar.
of this, yeah, his journey has to be shown, right? Because the world of experience that he comes from, especially like kung fu fighting, I still listen to on a regular, dude. I love that song.
So
Okay,
Bidu is
so-
written an autobiography.
There's an autobiography.
Yeah, yeah. And you
Like
know
a
the
movie.
autobiography is
Oh,
written a
the
book.
A book.
Huh.
A book.
And the funny thing about that is, so Bidu is based in Bangalore. Okay,
Yeah,
I don't know if
correct.
he still.
he was born in Bangalore.
I don't know if he still lives there, but when I was in Bangalore studying, he was at that time living in Bangalore.
Oh, cool.
And so Bidu, he was, I think after a point, either he got fed up of making music, or
Now
he wasn't getting work or something like
went on
that.
to spiritual music.
So he wrote a novel. Okay,
is it?
he wrote a novel about his spiritual journey,
Okay.
and he went to the publication house to to pitch it to them that I have this story. They went through the manuscript. They're like, your book is very good and all, but if you want to get this novel published, before that you would have to write your autobiography. We'll publish that, and then after that we'll publish your manuscript. Okay? Because they obviously knew that this guy's life has been so interesting that his autobiography would be way more interesting. So he wrote his autobiography. The autobiography made a bestseller. I think they never published the novel.
Oh shit, bro.
It's like,
Scam,
I'm already a
bro.
bestseller. What do I read?
Fuck.
So yeah, I remember Bidu's autobiography was a pretty big hit.
Nice,
Was
bro.
it? I don't know
2006, 2007, I think.
Yeah. So I think
yeah.
basically that whole era of
Nice.
spanning the whole disco wave,
Nice.
the Euro disco wave that happened in India, dude. आप जैसा कोई whatever it was
Yeah,
huge.
yeah.
भाई
hit.
आज भी
Nadia-
मैं कभी
Nadia
कभी
Hassan.
randomly सुनता हूँ
आज
भाई.
भी. Even disco Deewane, dude. You know, like the singers, like Nazia Hassan.
That's what. So
Right?
the I mean, Bappi Lahiri brought disco in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Bidu brought disco in like non-Bollywood music.
To
in
India.
To India, yeah, basically. And then again, he was like, even when he came to India, like Disco Deewane and Aap Jaisa Koi are basically disco hits. Only,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
And bangers, dude. What amazing
So
this.
some people, right? Like him and even Bali Sagu. Bali Sagu was a huge the remix wave that happened
Yeah.
in the late 90s, early 2000s was
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
Bali Sagu.
Bali Sagu, yes.
Oh, is it?
So yeah, there's some people. So your Chandni Ratein.
Chandni Ratein.
That then, if you remember, there was a Dil Cheez Hai Kya
भाई almost
Jana.
सारे remix बाली साहब
Yeah.
के ही होते थे.
What about
bro.
like the Wo Chali?
So that was Bombay Vikings.
Bombay Viking, but
Yeah.
was that also?
That was not Bali Sagu, but then after Bali Sagu,
But that's not a remix also, no? वो चली वो.
I mean,
That is a
it is
remix.
It's a remix?
It's
Yeah,
an
yeah,
original
yeah.
song.
is it?
Bombay Vikings से तो है ये
नहीं नहीं bro, there's a much more original song, dude. And
No,
then
you're
these guys-
talking about Kya Surat Hai.
नहीं, I'm talking about
Kya
leaving
Surat hai,
all
kya
her
surat-
tears behind. Only
That's an original, I
love's on
think.
her mind. Finally, no, that's not. Wait.
नहीं है.
नहीं यार.
अच्छा, okay.
वो चली,
सामने
वो
ये कौन
चली.
आया as a remix?
सामने ये कौन आया दिल में हुई हलचल.
Hey,
देख के
बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम
नहीं
पागल.
देख ओरिजिनली है.
एक कॉपीराइट हो जाएगा.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
ना 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 मेरी.
So-
ये रखने वाला है, कॉपीराइट नहीं होगा.
नहीं देखते हैं नहीं नहीं ये तो फर्स्ट पहले आएगा यार टी सीरीज या कुछ का आएगा वैसे तो ब्लैक
But dude, the indie pop wave that you're talking about, Palash Sen and Euphoria.
Yeah.
Bro, what time? dude.
Huge part
So
of
exactly. So if when
Mohit
we,
Chauhan,
Silk,
Silk
yes.
Route.
when we show that this era, we get to see all these
Yes,
artists
yes.
who we've grown up with.
Dude, I feel very
Nostalgia is already strong. People are like, but coming to the tail end of people being fine with nostalgia in movies because अभी लग रहा है कि अरे क्या nostalgia एक और nostalgia एक और. This could be the tail end of that. Like
But
what
this
is left
But this
to
is
do,
not
you know?
nostalgia in a way कि हम लोग सारे गाने remix कर रहे हैं. This is nostalgia in a way कि हम लोग उस time की एक story
Right.
बता
हाँ,
रहे
yeah,
हैं.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
this is not nostalgia
It's like
baiting.
Michael biopic.
It's Michael as a biopic.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I could see.
ठीक है.
this, yeah,
And
yeah.
just मैं भी पलाश सेन और यूफोरिया की बात कर रहा था. Guys, feel very fortunate to be a part of their journey. Just plugging it in.
He was in a video. guys.
Yes, 2 videos, guys.
2 videos. Sorry.
Excuse me. So if you want to check that out, it's Sajana by Euphoria on
The
YouTube.
link will be in the comments. Yeah?
Like,
In
मैंने
the
मतलब मैंने
description.
और हर 15-20 एपिसोड में एक बार इसके बारे में बात हो ही जाती है. तो but for the new viewers, do check that out.
Yeah, very cool.
Even Breathless Shankar Mahadevan
Yes.
was part of the indie pop.
Yes, yes.
कल ही सुन रहा था भाई मैं ऑफिस जाते हुए
Dude,
Breathless.
even Hariharan and
Yes.
what's the name?
Something about the way you smile.
I
Hariharan
never
and,
know the reason why
Colonial
I
Cousins,
started
but what is his
about-
name?
Yeah,
Leslie
yeah.
Lewis.
Colonial Cousins,
Leslie
yeah.
Lewis,
Yeah.
bro. Leslie Lewis के साथ हमने काम किया था जब मैं मिर्ची में काम कर रहा था. बहुत सही था.
So Leslie Lewis also produced परी हूँ मैं. परी हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
मुझे न छूना. The reason I know this is because Colonial Cousins were headlining Kala Ghoda Festival last year or this year, I don't know. And Leslie Lewis just randomly like, also guys, I don't know if you know, but I also produce Pari Hu Main.
Pari Hu
And he
Main.
started singing Pari Hu Main.
Dude,
Leslie, why
for
you
the
singing
longest time I used to think परी हूँ मैं फाल्गुनी पाठक का गाना है.
Colonial Cousins had this other very awesome song that you are the Krishna, you are the only one. Na, na, na.
we
Come
sang
back
this
as my
song. We
love.
sang this song for
Come
our
back
annual
as
day.
Huh, he what?
For our annual day, we sang this.
Oh,
Song.
you know?
Krishna ni begane baro. Anyway, बहुत copyright strike हो गया इसको. You want to go
What a
next
time,
for
dude.
Nice. Yeah.
Such
historical
really good
event?
songs, dude, yeah. Anyway,
Historical.
what do you think is the likelihood of it happening?
यार बिल्कुल बन सकती है. I think music again as he rightly said, Michael का music का movie बनी. Everybody went like, bhai, I was literally dancing in my chair when I was
Yeah.
watching Michael. I watched it like
Dude,
twice or thrice.
Correct. Dude, also I feel like filmmakers are looking for an excuse to be
Yeah.
able to use
Those
Yeah.
songs, yeah, dude.
whereas
इसमें rights का problem हो सकता है. उसके
वो
अलावा
अब
I
बिड्डू
don't
से ही ले लो
think-
यार, बिड्डू की एडवर्टाइजर ले
I
लो.
don't think
But
he
सारे
owns-
rights उसके
हाँ.
पास
पता
थोड़ी
नहीं यार,
होंगे.
वो-
हाँ.
But
But all the
otherwise,
indie
yeah.
ones he must have. Like how difficult would the indie actually T-Series would have all those indie rights, dude. That's what.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah, a lot of
Anyway,
those. Yeah.
yeah.
Anyway,
ठीक है. So historical event. This is a little comic comedy
Okay.
genre that I want to touch upon. So do you know 20-25 साल पहले दिल्ली में मंकी मैन आया था.
Yes.
of course.
Bro,
dude.
दिल्ली 6 उसको टच अपॉन करता है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. But I want to make it like a series of sorts. So उसी के कुछ साल बाद दिल्ली में एक चुड़ैल भी आई थी. ठीक है. And it came to be कि लोग ना तो एक खबर फैली थी कि अगर आप वो आती है और आके आपसे प्याज मांगती है. ठीक है. कुछ इतने अमाउंट का इतने नंबर ऑफ प्याज मांगेगी और इतने नंबर ऑफ लहसुन मांगेगी और अगर आप ओके बोल के मुड़ जाओगे तो पीछे से आपको वो खींच के ले जाएगी.
मस्त. ये तो आरे वाली चुड़ैल होगी.
क्या?
ये तो आरे कॉलोनी वाली चुड़ैल होगी यार. वो
आरे भी तो
white में
ऐसा
होती है.
प्याज मांगती है.
नहीं प्याज नहीं, बट वो लिफ्ट मांगती है.
यहाँ बॉम्बे में हुआ था 3 मुंडी वाली चुड़ैल आपसे पानी मांगेगी. अगर आप
ओह,
पानी
अच्छा, हम लोग
मांगोगे
कुछ-कुछ
तो-
तो
मांगते
मतलब
रहते हैं.
हाँ तो ठीक है. तो आई
These
थिंक
needy women.
ठीक है. तो अब ऐसी अब पहले मंकी मैन था कि आप रात को छत पे सो रहे हो तो वो आपको उठा के ले जाएगा. ठीक है. बीच में ये था फिर ये चुड़ैल आई कि आपको
प्याज मांगेगी.
प्याज मांगेगी. एंड डूड यू नो देयर वाज
जैन लोग के साथ तो कुछ होगा.
ब्रो तो डूड पता है क्या होने लग गया था. खबर फैल गई थी कि अगर आप अपने घर के बाहर एक हाथ पे हल्दी लगा के और दूसरे हाथ पे मेहंदी लगा के अपने दोनों हाथों का वो प्रिंट
बना
लगाओगे दरवाजे के बाहर तो वो डर के भाग जाएगी.
फिर लिख देना ओ
तो
स्त्री
वो
का
नहीं-
नाना.
तो वो नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. सो आई फील दिस कुड बी अ वेरी गुड series where like season 1 is on Monkey Man, season 2 is on this Chudel and such
इसमें कॉमेडी क्या है? तो हॉरर हो रहा
by
है.
like people no भाई एक चुड़ैल में घर आके प्याज मांग रही, दिस इज नॉट कॉमेडी फॉर यू.
By the way, the Monkey Man thing, I've done a lot of research on because it's
क्या
a
बात कर
topic
रहे हो?
I'm very fascinated
भाई
by.
कितना कूल टॉपिक
I
है.
love it. So, you know, like, do you remember how it all happened?
भाई मैं 3 साल का था.
Oh, what do you say?
4 साल का, हाँ.
So, I was like, yeah, maybe like 7, 8, 10 or
Yeah.
something. And
You were in Delhi at that time, no?
like at the tail end of it.
हाँ.
But like I think we were like in and out or something like that of Delhi during that time. And basically, the story goes, there was a scientist who had a pet monkey.
Hmm.
Okay. And he used to
Oh, Planet
experiment
of
on the
the
pet
Apes.
monkey.
Huh.
Yeah, he experiment on the pet
Yeah.
monkey. And then one fine day, the monkey either escaped or killed the scientist and then escaped.
Yeah.
Okay, but by that time the monkey had already been modified in multiple ways and all that. Okay, so he had like, he was part man, part machine.
Part machine.
Okay, we all heard this.
Hmm.
Basically, this was mass hysteria. Do you know
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Mass hysteria. Like you think a certain thing is
हाँ,
true.
हाँ.
And you
Of
start
course.
seeing
And it's
it.
never
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, there is a term that these creatures are called also. The mass hysteria creatures. I'm finding the term. There's a term for these creatures. What would happen is, okay, so
लोग sightings बताने लग गए थे भाई कि ये दिखने लग गए हैं, ये यहाँ
Dude,
दिख रहा है, वहाँ दिख रहा है.
people during that time, this is summer का time था, so people used to sleep on the terrace.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, because नहीं तो कितनी गर्मी, उस टाइम में AC भी इतने नहीं
भाई
थे.
लाइट कट्स होते थे दिल्ली में फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम टिल आई वाज आल्सो देयर.
Correct.
आपको पता होता था कि दिन में इतनी देर के लिए तो लाइट जानी ही जानी है.
Correct. So it happened multiple times. They say, okay, that some guy randomly used to wake up shouting, "Ah, it got
Yeah.
me!" or "मेरे को मार रहा है." Okay, and you wake up with like scratches all over the body. Again, all of this, like multiple sightings of this. Okay, like somebody's like, "Oh, I got pushed from the second floor of my
Yeah.
building and I broke my leg or whatever." Okay, all of this, people were like either imagining it or someone else was doing it in the sense like, you know, like किसी दोस्त ने किसी को धक्का दे दिया रात को, okay, as a prank.
मंकी मैन ने कर दिया
और वो
था.
monkey man ने करा. So everything was put out to monkey man.
Yeah.
To the point, I'm not even kidding. Okay, while we were living in Delhi, we used to stay in an area called Sheikh Sarai. This is near Malvin Nagar.
Oh, आप
in
शेख
Delhi.
से रहते थे.
हाँ.
Nice.
So Sheikh Sarai में, around my colony, okay, this was some dumb kid was doing this, okay, or whatever. Every other day, okay, in my colony and down the road, like or down the row of houses and like what duplex houses in my colony, they would there would be a blast in the post box of the building. Basically, जो अगर मेरी जो छोटी सी बिल्डिंग है उसमें अगर 3 घर हैं तो जो पोस्ट बॉक्सेस हैं उन पोस्ट बॉक्स में कि कोई तो ससुत्ती बॉम्ब रख के भाग जाता था और भग करके ऊपर आवाज आती थी, हम सब नीचे भाग के आते थे, क्या हुआ, पोस्ट बॉक्स टूटा हुआ है. द रो ऑफ हाउसेस हैड दैट. ओके, एंड द थिंग वाज कि मंकी मैन कर रहे हैं. Isn't that crazy?
भाई ये
What a world, man.
लोगों
What a
को
world.
like it became so big that people, लोगों को लगने लग गया था कि वो शैडो है तो वो मंकी मैन का ही शैडो
Yeah,
है.
yeah,
ठीक है. एंड वो शैडो देख के लोग डर के लाइक खुद ही कूद जाते थे कि
Yeah.
उसके हमें पकड़ने से, क्योंकि अब गर्मी है, लाइट्स नहीं है, पंखे नहीं चल रहे, छत पे सो रहे हैं. ठीक है, कोई शैडो हल्का सा भी मूव होता हुआ दिखा, ओ मंकी मैन आ गया, कूद गए नीचे. उससे पकड़ने से तो बेटर है हम यहाँ से बच के भाग जाएंगे.
Dude,
So
what a great study on literally on mass hysteria. Like
Yeah.
how it happens, why it happens, and how everything gets attributed
Exactly.
to that.
तो
Crazy.
ऐसे
What
ऐसे
crazy.
अगर हम लोग वेब सीरीज, वेब शोज टाइप बनाए या 2 पिक्चरें, मतलब पिक्चरें भी बना ले,
Dude.
लाइक इट कुड बी अ गुड ट्रिलॉजी लाइक
Dude,
विद.
actually, yeah, one season or whatever. Like I think actually all these are more one episode than
हाँ.
seasons.
तो
And I think like a
मूवी
series,
बन सकती है भाई, 2 घंटे की मूवी बन सकती है where
you're
there's
thinking like, okay,
like
okay,
like a group of friends, fukre of sorts, like a
Yeah.
group of friends caught in the middle of this
Dude,
monkey
that-
man.
That
ठीक है.
I would also like to see. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm cutting you off. I would also love to see like a documentary series about these mass hysteria moments, like in Indian
in
history.
Indian history,
That
yeah.
would be crazy, dude.
Yeah.
Where else? I don't think it's been done.
Fair.
नहीं, ये Mano Ya Na Mano has touched upon this.
Has touched on this
The show
particular-
that
By Mano Ya Na Mano.
Irfan used to
What a
host.
fucking core memory, dude.
that
Mano Ya Na
and
Mano.
Ahat.
हाँ.
Art तो हाँ, चलो.
चलो वो तो
Yeah.
है, but then Mano Ya Na
Mano Ya
used
Na
to be
Mano
fucking-
was our Please Believe It or
Yeah.
Not.
Yeah. Oh, that.
Quite
I remember
literally
now.
believe it or not.
Correct, that's
Mano
what it
Ya
was,
Na
that's what it
Mano.
was, yeah.
And the last frame would always used to be कि अब ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप इसे
Mano Ya
या
Na
ना
Mano.
मानो.
Must.
Crazy shit, bro.
Nice.
All right, cool.
Monkey Man.
That was.
Okay.
And the प्याज वाली चुड़ैल जो मेहंदी का हाथ देख के भाग जाती है. Dude, there were, sorry, but was like there were quite literally guidelines ठीक
what
है
to do if चुड़ैल sighted?
कि हाँ कि वो चुड़ैल ऐसे 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 दिखती है, अगर उसने ये पहना होगा, उसकी वो गुत जो है वो इतनी लंबी होगी,
इसके पैर
छोटी,
उल्टे थे क्या?
पैर उल्टे
Yeah,
होंगे,
yeah.
ठीक है। तो they were like,
बाल लंबे होंगे,
दरवाजा
सफेद।
खोलने से पहले उसके पैर देखना। डूड आई
पर मेरा दरवाजा सी थ्रू नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं यार?
तो द थिंग इज कि यूजुअली दिल्ली के घरों के दरवाजे कैसे हैं, एक लकड़ी का और एक जाली का, ठीक है।
क्या बोलते हैं, फट्टा बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
पता नहीं, तो एक आप लकड़ी का दरवाजा खोलो एंड दे कि खोलते उसकी आंख में मत देखना, वो आपको हिप्नोटाइज कर लेगी। तो व्हेन यू ओपन द डोर, यू like looking down, you open the door and you notice
क्या
her
difficult है भाई?
feet and
सबसे
then
पहले ऊपर ही देखेगा तू।
तो वही तो तभी तो
बस,
गाइडलाइन थी ना
dead.
भाई कि भाई मैं
Dead.
था क्या 7-8 साल का होऊंगा, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे भाई ये न्यूज फैली,
फट गई
भाई फट के हाथ में आ गए भाई, क्या बात कर रहे
मम्मी, रात को घंटी बजी है।
ब्रो।
Oh my God.
मैं डूड लाइक आई केम होम फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड आई हर्ड दिस न्यूज इन स्कूल। आई केम होम भाई, पापा को फोन कर दिया, पापा घर आ जाओ, इमरजेंसी, घर अभी घर आओ। पापा घर आए, दरवाजा बंद करके मैं किसी को बाहर ही नहीं जाने दे रहा हूँ भाई घर के, एंड आई एम लाइक सब घर में बैठे रहेंगे। एंड माय मम्मा इज लाइक कि तू क्या पागल हो गया या क्या कर रहा है तू? एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं, बाहर चुड़ैल घूम रही है, वहां में से कोई बाहर नहीं जाएगा। डूड माय मॉम लिटरली उन्होंने मेरी वजह से उन्होंने अपने भाई हाथ के प्रिंट लगाए कि अगर अब ठीक है, अब जाएं, अब हम प्रोटेक्टेड है।
Your mom was like, अब ठीक है मेरी माँ।
बढ़िया।
Nice.
That's nice. Very cool. I would love to see this.
Yeah. Okay. So my.
Again, possibility quite high. Sorry, go ahead. I know we cut you off like 5 times.
I know,
Sorry,
yeah.
Sorry.
Can I say it now?
Even if you watched Bakano.
Yeah.
Bakwas Bakano. Anyway, no. So my
So what was I saying?
historical event is the release of Mughal-e-Azam, but
Oh.
my movie is the obsession of the director K. Asif with making the movie.
Nice.
So I am thinking
Like Mank kind
you've
of.
seen Mank, yes.
Yes,
my
exactly.
my like blueprint for
Citizen
this
Kane.
is Mank. तो भाई आप अगर इन शॉर्ट देखोगे, के आसिफ साहब का पहली बार मुगल आजम बनाने का आइडिया आया था 1944 में, ठीक है, जब उन्होंने एक अनारकली का प्ले देखा था एंड ही वांटेड टू अडैप्ट इट. He got the cast, he got everything. Then the actor he had originally casted to play Akbar died. Okay.
Oh.
So he had to replace him. वो replace करते करते बाकी जो 2 actors थे उन्होंने भी छोड़ दिया. ये करते 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 उन्होंने जैसे पैसे इकट्ठा करने शुरू करे, पार्टीशन हो गया, ठीक है. पार्टीशन होते हुए सबकी प्रॉपर्टी ये हो गई, ये वो उथल पुथल हो गया देश पूरा, ये करते करते then he had to once again gather the money and the actors and everything. And K. Asif was the kind of person that if he wanted to show 100 elephants in the opening scene, he wanted 100 elephants. Like, you know, he's not
Nolan-esque.
yeah, not before Nolan and IMAX, K. Asif was the original guy. So 1944 से लेके सोचो फाइनली फिर पिक्चर का प्रीमियर हुआ 1960 में. So just his obsession, his kids got estranged from him. He had multiple divorces while making this. So just for that one movie, he completely sacrificed his entire life,
Bro,
just so that he could make that movie.
but in continuation to this, I think he also had this obsession with Ustad बड़े
गुलाम अली,
साहब,
yes.
ठीक है. And he was fixated कि मुगल आजम में एक गाना तो इनका
उनका
होगा ही
होगा.
And the person who got in touch with गुलाम अली साहब, he was like कि वो फिल्म के लिए नहीं गाते हैं,
So,
अरे
हाँ,
जो
ये-
मर्जी हो जाए इसके लिए तो गाएंगे.
नौशाद साहब का एक ही एक कहानी
किस्सा
है
है,
कि उन्होंने
हाँ.
बोला था कि नहीं करे, वो फिल्मों को बहुत नीचा समझते हैं, ऐसा नहीं
समझते
होगा. Anyway, he got a meeting with बड़े गुलाम अली साहब and was like, आप अगर वो तानसेन का जो रोल है अगर आप प्ले कर दें,
प्रेम जोगन,
तो उस टाइम पे हाँ उसने बोला था कि आप कितना लेंगे. तो बड़े गुलाम अली साहब ने पर्पसली बोला 25,000.
हाँ,
तो
25,000.
नौशाद साहब बोलते हैं उस टाइम पे लता, आशा, रफी जैसे लोग 500-600 रुपए लिया करते थे और ये बड़े बड़े थे. उन्होंने 25,000 कोट किया कि ये तो नहीं बोले.
नहीं बोले.
एंड क्या सिर्फ लाइक 25,000 बस लिया, अभी चेक
ये
लिए लिखे
done,
देता हूँ.
हाँ.
और तब और उनके पास थे नहीं तब 25,000 रुपए, उन्होंने चेक लिख के दे दिया. सो द हसल ऑफ दिस मैन टू keep gathering money, losing money, gathering money, losing money, putting up sets.
That's bad business, dude.
Yeah.
Like 500, 600 and 25,000.
फिर
I think
Again-
500-600 कम बोल रहे हैं शायद ये,
Oh, अच्छा, अच्छा।
but then
नहीं भाई 500-600 लिया करते थे. I'm talking about 50s.
yeah, I'm sure.
तो
अच्छा,
25,000 उस टाइम पे मतलब समझ लो करोड़.
भाई हमारा पैसा क्या गिर रहा है भाई? क्या what do you mean don't make it political?
While
What do you mean?
he was making Mughal Azam, color films started coming, right? So
Yeah,
half of his
crazy.
movie he had to do in color.
Colour.
And then now,
So-
like since then, it has been released multiple times. in
Re-released
colour.
multiple times in color and everything.
भाई मुगले आजम एक प्ले है बहुत बड़ा.
हाँ,
Live play.
and it is produced by the same शाहपुर जी पालन जी जिन्होंने फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करी थी. तो just the obsession of this guy to make this movie. और उसके बाद उन्होंने सिर्फ एक ही और फिल्म बनाई, वो भी आधी फिल्म ही बना पाया. After that he passed away. It was called Love and War या Love and Peace ऐसे
लव एंड
करके.
वॉर तो अभी तक बन रही है भाई.
हाँ
Bro.
sorry वो तो
Bro.
तो हाँ
I just thought of a very interesting tone to the film.
yeah.
Would be a mockumentary style.
भाई
Okay.
नहीं बन सकती वो.
Think about it, dude. Like imagine all like see, you don't show every crazy moment. Like the hard hitting like partition moments, you have to show as a hard hitting partition moment, right?
हाँ वो थोड़ा
But-
बहुत तो आ ही जाएगा. Like
Like yeah, like
the-
shit falling in the background, whatever, you know, like crazy things happening.
Like
while
of
they're
course,
talking
like
to the
हम
camera.
पृथ्वीराज कपूर को अकबर के गेटअप में सोचे हैं.
Yeah.
I'm sure between takes he was not Akbar.
Yeah,
He was
correct.
his own
Yeah,
self.
so I'm
So
thinking like
stuff
that would be
like
very-
that.
So have you seen in 2013 there was a documentary out called Jodorowsky's Dune?
Yeah,
Have
yeah,
you seen this?
yeah.
So basically, जो Dune movies अभी release हो रही है ना, ये Timothy Chalamet, Zendaya वाली, basically these are books that have been written
Yeah.
as the original science fiction epics, okay, from which all the Alien franchise, the Star Wars
Star
franchise,
Wars, yeah,
they are all
yeah.
basically derivatives of Dune.
Hmm.
Okay, Jodorowsky,
Alejandro Jodorowsky.
something like that. Jodorowsky was a guy who was obsessed with this project and wanted this to be his magnum opus. To that end, he worked with like the design for the movie Alien, right? The Alien design comes from actually the concepts that he made for his Dune, his version of Dune that he was going to be making in the 80s or something, but it never got made. So for years he had just kept developing, talking to getting artists on board, developing ideas. I think Geiger, HR
Geiger, yeah.
Geiger is
But
the designer of the creatures.
Jodorowsky worked with Mobius, right? The
So
artist.
maybe Geiger then took the got inspired from the stylings and the creature designs of Jodorowsky Dune and then took it on to Alien. But highly inspired. If you read the original Dune and if you watch all the stuff that Jodorowsky talks about in the documentary in 2013, a lot of it has been inspired into
of course.
has been taken into other movies and used into other movies because his movie was never
Yeah,
made.
yeah.
And these ideas were so ahead of their times and so bombastic in a way. It was coming. So like this could be like a documentary, but I'm making it mockumentary-ish like that. But
Kind of, yeah.
maybe I'm just thinking.
Probably. I don't know who would be able to play K. Asif like as an actor, but it would be interesting to see fictional versions of Dilip Kumar, Madhubala,
Yeah.
Prithviraj Kapoor.
मुझे आई एम एनीवे ऑफ एन ओपिनियन कि हर बड़ी पिक्चर का बिहाइंड द सीन डॉक्यूमेंट्री होना, जैसे
Crazy
शोले
होगा।
का है,
हाँ,
लगान
हाँ,
का है. भाई आई वुड किल
पर वो
टू
तो
वॉच.
सोचना 15 साल से behind the scene
मैं वही
बने ही
कह
जा
रहा हूँ.
रही है.
I would kill to watch a behind the scenes of Om Shanti Om, dude. Like fuck everything. मुझे अब behind the scenes of दीवानगी song दिखा दो just.
Right.
Like imagine you have 30 plus film stars जो आके आपको बस शूट करने के लिए आपने बुलाए हैं 5-5 10-10 सेकंड के लिए. While you're shooting, सलमान खान gets to know कि
धर्मेंद्र.
आज धर्मेंद्र आने वाले हैं. वो बस आके बैठ जाते हैं. एंड नाउ इमेजिन कि भाई सलमान खान बैठा है आपके सामने और आपके सामने 100 जूनियर आर्टिस्ट खड़े हैं जिनको अब परफॉर्म करना है और सलमान ऐसे बैठ के देख रहा है.
Yes,
Famously, he waited for 8 hours for Dharmendra to come and give his shot. And he just wanted to be a part of that shot. So he was like, I'll just wait and watch.
And Sanju and all also part of that show.
Sanju and Shaw, exactly. So just that one song in itself is a very interesting documentary to me. So मुझे ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा ग्राइब है with the industry कि हम लोग खुद ही अपनी इंडस्ट्री को उतनी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते जितनी मिलनी चाहिए. लाइक हमारे पास कितनी आइकॉनिक कहानियाँ, कितनी आइकॉनिक फिल्म्स हैं. हमारे पास एक बॉलीवुड हिंदी सिनेमा, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री म्यूजियम तक नहीं है, जबकि भाई आप मुझे ये कहना चाहते हो कि राजेश खन्ना, देवानंद, राज कपूर, पृथ्वीराज कपूर खानदान का अपना खुद का एक म्यूजियम हो सकता है? मतलब ऐसा कि यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपके पास लाइक मेरा नाम जोकर के प्रॉप्स पड़े हैं, उनकी स्टोरीज हैं, वहाँ पे कुछ इंटरव्यूज मल्टीमीडिया पे प्ले हो रहे हैं, लाइक यू सी द एंटायर like iconic films journey, 100 years that Bollywood has, Hindi cinema has covered. So
yeah, crazy. Correct. So yes,
K. Asif's journey to obsession with Mughal Azam basically was my
cool.
historical event / biopic.
Again, this sounds like could be be made.
Yeah.
This
should
could be mounted
made.
on multiple budgets, by the way.
I know, yeah.
Like it could be like all the way like Sanjay Leela Bhansali type sets.
That's what even I
Yeah.
was thinking.
And it can be like a stripped down, much more like
Sanjay Leela Bhansali gets to make a grand scale film about a grand scale film.
Yes.
Dude,
भाई, वो
it's,
तो-
it's the best.
वो तो पागल हो जाएगा.
भाई वो 20 साल तक बना-
एग्जैक्टली वही 50 साल चल रही है. आप क्या कर रहे हो? मैं ऑब्सेशन से ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ. मैं उनकी ऑब्सेशन
अब पास ऑक्सीजन मास्क हटाता हुआ दिख रहा है पिक्चर.
भाई, मजा
50
आया.
साल तो लग गए इस पिक्चर को बनने में.
Alright guys, that
Comeback.
is now what we
Last
left
category.
left with is comeback.
Hmm.
So I'll do mine first. I'm so sorry because I don't have a great
Okay.
comeback. Okay. Because we decided on the comeback category quite late.
Yeah.
We're thinking of genre,
Stop
which
giving
also I did not have a great one for. So no excuses there.
यार जॉनरा का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये है कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में सब
genre
जॉनरा
film
की फिल्म
बनाते ही
बना
नहीं
रहे
हैं.
हैं, बना रहे हैं, बट वो अच्छी नहीं बना रहे.
but
अब जैसे साईफाई माइथो है, ठीक है, कल की बनी, बट वो अच्छी नहीं थी, मतलब ठीक थी.
but comeback का मेरे को तो बस यार अनुष्का शर्मा ही.
Has she gone away?
Yeah, she's
Oh,
stopped that.
really?
I know she last time
Okay.
she acted, man. But that's it, man. I can't really think of that. I mean, I don't want to say Imran Khan. I don't want to say Govinda because we talked about those comebacks at nauseum, and I think other people have covered that.
And
ad
मतलब अब
nauseum.
वो थोड़े unlikely भी हैं.
Yeah, correct.
Like
correct.
with the way Govinda is going, I don't think there's
yeah,
a comeback on cards anytime soon, dude.
correct. I would, you know what I would like to see? I would really like to see Arjun Kapoor do a good film. So that'll be his comeback. Like in the sense that
And Arjun
I
Kapoor
think-
is capable.
exactly.
I feel.
I
but
think exactly.
हाँ.
I do think he has the capability. So and I like him in the non-film stuff that he does, like his interviews or
Yeah.
he's like cheeky and funny.
And I've heard he's one of the nicest people to
That's what I've heard.
work with.
I heard he's
actually.
like chill, man. He's like
Yeah.
he's a chill guy. I would like to see. a little
और
bit more
मतलब
of
अगर
him.
आप ऑलरेडी कमेंट्स में लिख रहे हो कि इन लोग को अर्जुन कपूर पसंद है, आई थिंक देयर आर अ फ्यू फिल्म्स जो जिसमें उसने सही काम किया.
Dude, yeah. for
One
sure.
being औरंगजेब,
Aurangzeb, Sandeep Venki Farrar.
संदीप एंड विंकी फरार, यस, एंड ऑब्वियसली इशक ज़ादे जो स्टार्टिंग में
Yeah,
आई थी,
correct,
उसमें भी
सही.
आई थिंक
So yeah,
सही
I
काम
think
किया.
and Gunde, he's Gunde though. But yeah, I think like I would like to see him make a comeback maybe.
नाइस.
But I don't think either of these answers are that crazy that I think people have gone to expect from me now. You know,
Of course, with the standard that you set for yourself. Yes.
अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारता हूँ मैं तो यार.
Cool. I'll go next.
Yeah, please.
I want to see Urmila Matondkar make a comeback.
Nice.
Write a Netflix 12-episode series. for
Urmila
her.
is working on something, dude. I think she's slated to make a comeback in 2027.
Is she?
But he's right then.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
know that, but
अभी I think अभी announce हुआ है उर्मिला का
I
project.
have not seen her in something like how Madhuri is doing stuff with Netflix.
Dude, Madhuri is gonna host कौन बनेगा करोड़पति मराठी, dude.
That's nice.
That's so cool. अभी मैंने announcement देखा, बहुत सही था.
So I want the kind of stuff that Madhuri is doing with Netflix. Give something to Urmila also with
Yeah.
with that same metal to.
Oh, all three of us have women जो comeback कर रहे हैं. I
who's
have
yours?
Juhi. हम पिछले ही episode में बात कर रहे थे. I think
Comedy,
comedy,
timing.
serious, everything.
Maybe like the Ma Behan sequel should be this. Urmila,
Bro,
Juhi,
and you
and
know why
Anushka.
why I think it's all women for
But
all
what
the
they're
three
all
of us.
like Urmila and Juhi are similar ages, no?
Ha, whatever. Just make a
But
sequel
it
to
can
Ma
be like a
Behan. Yeah.
sequel, no?
Oh, like
Ma Behan
like
two.
yeah,
like a loose
Ma
sequel,
Behan
yeah.
too.
Like Avarapan 2 has nothing to do with Avarapan 1.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, you were
No,
saying?
no, it does. By the
Why
way.
is it
Avarapan
women?
2 does have something. to do with
Okay, fine.
it. You don't think so? I think it seems like a continuation or something.
Whatever, man. None of the Razes are connected to each
That's
other.
that is not right.
Why were you saying
मैं
it's
कह रहा
all
था कि
women?
हम तीनों के पास women इसलिए हैं क्योंकि men have not
हाँ,
gone
मर
away
जाते ही
only.
नहीं
भाई मेरे कम ना किसका मांगे हम लोग भाई कसम से भाई भाग्यश्री के डेब्यू से लेके भाग्यश्री के जाने तक के बाद से भी सलमान भाई अपने हिले नहीं आवाज से हाँ मेरी जान बट नहीं हाँ जूही dude जूही for sure I think she's one of those actresses जो
Absolutely, yeah, without doubt.
किसी भी रोल को बहुत ही कमाल तरीके से निकाल सकती है.
Last
And-
thing she did was Sharma Ji Namkeen.
I think so.
Yes,
Unless she
I
did like a
think so.
special appearance or something. But
Dude, while
that
you were
seems
thinking
to
of while you were thinking of this episode, I was also having a conversation with Shashank, like who's been on the pod
be-
as well.
yeah.
And he gave like a very cool idea where he was like कि तुम लोग like one genre of films could also be where like a historical event is happening in the background of it, but एक daily life चल रही है एक इंसान की. Like for example,
Yeah, correct.
you don't know कि जब ताजमहल बन रहा है तो ताजमहल आगे जाके क्या होने वाला है. उस टाइम में भी कोई एक इंसान सोच रहा होगा ना यार बड़ा होके जमींदार बन जाऊं बस तो मजा आ जाए. Like
Talking
imagine
about like Mohenjo-daro.
हाँ
चल
मतलब
रहा है.
मोहनजोदारो में भी again there was not like a landmark thing happening. It was just मोहनजोदारो जो फिल्म बनी थी it was just like based on a society,
Yeah,
right?
I'm basically
वहाँ पे
the
love
same
story
thing.
है.
That only I'm talking about.
But हाँ but जैसे for example ताजमहल बन रहा है एंड उसके सामने एक नॉर्मल लाइफ चल
भाई, तो
रही है.
मैंने इसका एक आइडिया दिया था ना डांडी मार्च के ऊपर फिल्म, और इट्स नॉट अबाउट द
It's
डांडी
not about
मार्च.
डांडी
गांव में
मार्च,
खबर आ रही है कि हाँ गांधी जी का मार्च आने
मार्च
वाला
आ रहा है. कुछ बच्चे वो ऐसे देखने चले जा रहे हैं कि अरे ये क्या है.
एग्जैक्टली. डांडी मार्च में जो पीछे खड़े हुए बोले खाने का क्या सीन
हाँ
है.
like such films, but yeah that was a very nice idea also.
इसमें तो नमक ही नहीं है.
अरे वही तो लेने जा रहे हैं.
क्या यार गाली दे यार.
But dude, talking about Gandhi, I watched a film Gandhi My Father.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bro, legend.
Bro, आप दोनों ने देखी है क्या?
हम्म.
ओ
जब
देखी
आई
है
थी
मस्त.
तब देखी थी.
Another
भाई-
that was another era where Akshay Khanna.
अक्षय
was
खन्ना,
wearing wigs.
Bro, crazy
wig, right?
film. No, उसमें तो उसके I think असली वाला है.
नहीं. I think early on he started wearing wigs तो then only. This is after दिल चाहता है wig.
This is Anupam Kher played.
Bro,
with Gandhi,
हंगामा है
No.
उसमें.
Nasiruddin Shah?
No. This is
Akshay Khanna and Anupam Kher.
Was Anupam Kher,
no.
नहीं. The मैं अजब प्रिय के गजब
राजा भाई के सब
dad
कहानी
होते
में
हैं.
जो रणबीर कपूर के
हाँ.
फादर बनते हैं.
He's the
अच्छा,
Gandhi,
okay.
yeah.
उनका
Yeah.
नाम नहीं याद आ रहा मुझे. हाँ.
Yeah.
And Shefali Shah plays the wife.
कस्तूरबा.
Yes. Dude, उस film like when you
It's
watch
directed by Firoz Abbas Khan, who's directed the Mughal Azam.
मुगल आजम क्या play?
Play.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो
Not the.
dude again like just the weight of having Gandhi as your father.
I know, yeah.
भाई क्या beautifully portrayed.
भाई वो तो वही है ना कि father to an entire nation could not be a good father
good
to his
father
own
to his
son.
own
yeah.
son. Yeah. बहुत सही लगी भाई वो वाला scene जब सारे I think almost towards the end of the film है where Gandhi ji and Kasturba are like in a train and everybody is shouting Gandhi ki jai, Gandhi ji ki jai, Gandhi ji ki jai, and there's this one sound in the middle like Kasturba Gandhi ki jai, and then everybody like who's this, and then Akshay Khanna walks up and gets an amrud for Kasturba Gandhi, and Gandhi ji goes कि भाई मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं, आपके लिए कुछ नहीं, आप जो भी हो कस्तूरबा गांधी की वजह से हो, इनका सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो आप कुछ नहीं थे. एंड देन वो कस्तूरबा गांधी की जय कस्तूरबा करते करते चला जाता. भाई क्रेजी सी.
Anupam Kher was in a movie called मैंने गांधी को
मैंने
नहीं
नहीं
मारा.
मारा.
हाँ,
मैंने गांधी
sorry.
को नहीं मारा,
I was
yes.
confusing it with
वैसी
that.
उसमें उर्मिला मातोंडकर करती. वाह. उसमें उर्मिला मातोंडकर करती.
एंड दिस इज आल्सो दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड रोड टू संगम. देखिए रोड टू संगम.
नहीं यार.
देखी नहीं, but I know of the movie.
हाँ
Yeah,
रोड टू
yeah,
संगम इज परेश रावल एंड उसमें भी उसमें आई थिंक दे आर रिवाइविंग द कार दैट कैरीड
गांधी.
गांधी जी. यस.
अच्छा.
एंड उसके अंदर आई थिंक गांधी जी
The
का
car has gotten spoiled. and
Yeah.
they're basically like fixing it.
आई गेस समथिंग बहुत पहले देखी थी एंड उसमें गांधी जी का ग्रैंडसन भी है
Oh,
उस फिल्म में.
तुषार गांधी.
या आई फील ही इज आल्सो देयर इन द फिल्म.
Okay.
सो दैट्स
Okay.
आल्सो अ गुड वन.
All right. Cool, man. Again, we've talked a lot about these wish lists. I think we're all done, right?
Yeah.
आपने अच्छा उर्मिला
उर्मिला.
अनुष्का.
अनुष्का. जूही.
जूही. नाइस.
All right, cool, guys.
अरे आपने तो बोला था डायरेक्टर बताओगे कोई.
नहीं, इसने एक्टर बोला, मैंने डायरेक्टर भी हो सकता है.
अच्छा.
डायरेक्टर मैंने शुरू में सोचा था आरजीवी राम गोपाल, बट आई वाज लाइक
मत
दैट्स
आओ,
वेरी
छोड़ो
क्लीशे.
रहने दो. रहने दो.
मैंने तो
अब
अरिजीत
मैंने
सिंह बोल
होप
दिया.
छोड़ दी.
मैंने तो अरिजीत सिंह बोल दिया वैसे. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please let us know what do you think of all these wish list ideas and what are yours in each of these categories. What comeback would you like to see? What historical event would you like to see converted into a movie or a TV show? And what adaptation? What would you like to see adapted into a movie or a TV show? Again, we read all your comments. Please make sure to
Yes.
leave some of them. Hype the video, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend.
Yes.
And,
Dude, my chachu has started vlogging and shit, bro.
What?
nice.
Yeah, dude.
Wanna plug his
Bro,
channel?
yeah, I'll do that. Dude, he has so my chachu is one of the coolest people that I know.
Okay.
ठीक है भाई bodybuilding,
क्या बात
fucking
कर रहा है?
biking
Oh, what is
and
he?
all of that, dude.
Is he a chick magnet?
Crazy, bro, crazy fucking
Chachu
baller.
magnet.
Nice.
मैं अभी आपको उनका जिम का एक फोटो दिखाऊंगा.
भाई मत
भाई,
दिखा यार.
भाई हम
मत दिखा यार.
तीनों पानी होके खत्म होके
मैं तो-
मैं पानी. Whoa,
Whoa.
whoa,
crazy
bro,
shit,
what
bro.
the fuck,
Yeah, dude.
bro?
Bro, he's 40 plus at
इसके
this
तो
point.
मसल्स के पास मसल्स है.
So he has started vlogging his like biking trips and all.
Oh,
ठीक है
sick,
मस्त
dude.
ऐसा BMW.
What is he? Harley Davidson guy?
BM.
Whoa,
ठीक है तो
this baller.
मस्त अपना बाइकिंग जाते हैं
मस्त
पहाड़ों
क्या
वहाड़ों
channel
में. ठीक
बता?
है
Wow.
हाँ ओ फक हाँ चैनल का नाम ही ले लिया मैंने.
He's the kind of guy who says मेरा बाप मैं ही हूँ. Not कि तू मेरा बाप को जानता है कि नहीं.
इनके चैनल का सो मेरे चाचू और मेरे भैया कजन ब्रदर ये दोनों साथ में जाते हैं. द चैनल इज ऑन माय ब्रदर्स नेम. इट्स ट्रैवल टेक रोहित. ठीक है सो भैया और ये मुझे चाचू ने वीडियोस भेजी थी. 3 वीडियोस उन्होंने अभी तक कर दिए ब्लॉग.
Yes.
तो डू चेक दैट चैनल आउट.
Please check out episodes of That Filming Game Show if you haven't. There's some more coming out soon. And right after this, we will be doing giveaways, ticket giveaways at the very end. So
For all the
please wait
members.
for that. All right. Bye. Hello. What's up, good people? That's my brother. He's working. He's having a good afternoon on a Saturday working. What are we here for? You know what we're here for. Giveaway time of the week. Of the month, actually. Actually, we're doing it after like 3 months. Sorry for all those people who missed out on the last few months. We are back with giveaway for free tickets for movies of your choice. The caramel tier of our members, that is a popcorn caramel tier, gets 2 free tickets, and the salted popcorn tier gets 1 free ticket. How amazing is that? What other channel is giving you free tickets at the end of their videos? Not one, except for this one. Let's go. Salted popcorn tier. Spin the wheel. How we decide? Just so you guys know, how we decide as to who gets these is by spinning the wheel. We add names of all the members that are on our 2 tiers on 2 separate lists, the salted tier and the caramel tier, and then we spin the wheel to see who gets to win the prize. And as you will see, the spin the wheel for the salted tier, literally you can't read any names anymore because there are so many names, which is, again, thank you so much to you guys. I think we just crossed like 100 members or like 95 members or something like that, or close to that, which is insane that you guys are willing to pay to watch our content, which is weird, guys. Like, come on. Are you guys weird or something? But thank you. This is so nice. All right, let's go. Salted tier, 1 free ticket. Coming up to spin the wheel, spinning the wheel spinning. Okay, and the answer is Shardul 1997. Congratulations, Shardul 1997. I'm imagining you were born in 1997 and your name is Shardul. Congratulations, buddy. Good one. I mean, not that you did anything. You just won a free ticket. All right, caramel tier. Spin the wheel. 2 free tickets to you won. Here goes. Okay, nice. Spin the wheel. It's a good app and all, by the way. It's just an app. It's a free app. All right. And the winner is Soham Railkar. Congratulations, Soham Railkar. You won 2 free tickets, and the person who I read, whose name out previously, has won 1 free ticket. So the names are here on the screen. Hope you guys enjoy the movies that we end up buying the tickets for you. You know how it is. Get in touch with us, DM us if you are the lucky winners, and we will make sure to coordinate with you and get you those free tickets. Awesome. Again, tell your friends about us. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Become members if you're not a member. See you again next week. Bye-bye.